Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with the second chapter of history, that is Cultural Heritage of India, Traditional Handicrafts and Fine Arts. Let's start with the introduction of the chapter. As we know, India is rich in cultural heritage. The heritage which we have received from our ancestors or forefathers in the form of literature, Vedas, and different forms of knowledge. The further branches of cultural heritage includes genetic heritage, material heritage, and cultural heritage. What is genetic heritage? A child inherits physical and mental characteristics from the parents by birth is known as genetic heritage. Normally, in human being, when a child takes a birth, he receives certain amount of physical and mental characteristics from their parents. He or she may look like his father or mother. His mental ability and way of talking resembles his mother. So, in this way, a child gets lots of characteristics from their parents, and those characteristics can be either physical or mental characteristics in nature. Second is material heritage. It means house, land, estate, like properties obtained from ancestors is called material heritage. That means wealth and properties that we receive from our forefathers in the form of house, land, and estate. That is what material heritage is all about. Now, third is cultural heritage. It means a man obtains or creates with his intellect and skill is generally called cultural heritage. Over a period of time, with the human civilization, development started where people came out with innovative technologies and science. With their knowledge and skills, they have developed a very vast heritage, and that is what cultural heritage is. Culture means what? Lifestyle. So every year, humans' lifestyle keeps on changing with their intellects and skills that they used to produce some innovative technology. So that is what cultural heritage is all about. Today, the education of yoga has been considered as a part of cultural heritage, which has been accepted by the whole world. Consequently, 21st June is celebrated as World Yoga Day in the whole world. Second topic is art of Indian artisans. The beauty of Indian cultural heritage is lying in traditional art of its artisans. They have skillfully developed varied lifestyles of the people through their remarkable art and handicrafts industries like weaving, wooden art, drawing and painting, enamel work, architecture, diamond related artistic workmanship, embroidery, clay work, leather industry, sculpture, acrylic work, knitting work, etc. Let's start with first clay work. As we know, man and clay are closely associated since ancient time. That means from Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, during those period, everything was made up of clay. So here, clay and human being both are dependent. The whole life of man revolves around it from the cradle to the grave. मतलब यहाँ पे क्या बोला गया है, जब जन्म होता है फिर जब मरता है, मरने के बाद भी ज़मीन में ही मिलना है. That is what this concept is all about. Before the invention of metal, clay things were used abundantly. So before the invention of metal, before the invention of modern machineries, everything was used by clay only. So clay was used to create toys, pots, pitchers, earthen lamps, clay stove, clayware were made by the potters to store grains, milk, ghee, curd and buttermilk. You might have seen such kind of home when you visit rural area, that is village area. In villages, now also houses are plastered by using cow dung and clay. The walls of the house, kubas, were plastered by using cow dung and clay. Why? Because it keeps moderate temperature inside the house during harsh conditions. We have got many clay utensils of red color that belong to Lothal, Mohenjo-daro, Harappa culture of ancient time. So by this we can state that from ancient time also clay utensils, clay materials were being utilized for domestic purpose. Potter's wheel is considered to be the best device for clay work in ancient time. So potters, by using this device, they shape their pot through their artistic skills, through their embroidery work. There are various other examples of clay work. In present time also we see Garba, the folk dance of Gujarat, picture having holes containing earthen lamp inside in Navaratri. Second, India was famous for producing the baked utensils of baked clay as well as unbaked clay since ancient time, that is terracotta period. Third, this is known by seeing remains of old and handmade clay utensils found from Nagarjuna Konda in South India and Langanach, that is in Mehsana district. So through this we come to know that clay was used from ancient time. Till now also it has been carried out in many villages. Alright.